remind you about geotagging your pictures on your Google My Business. So here is what you're gonna do. I have your link right here. I'll send it out to you, but you're gonna click on here, this blue box where you can add them. You can go into whatever picture you want to geotag. Okay. Then you're gonna select where you want to geotag it. Okay, so if you're focusing on a neighborhood, a city, an area, whatever it may be, you can, if you pay for this service, it's like $5 a month or so, you can put in an address. I don't pay for it, so I just go down here. I'm gonna zoom in. Now I want to keep focusing on geotagging up in this Cave Creek Carefree area. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna type in keywords, just commas in between. Haunt team, domain, AZ Realtor, homes for sale in AZ, luxury homes. And then I'm gonna go down here, copy, boom. Then I'm gonna hit this button right here, write EXIF tags. Then I'm gonna download. And then I'm gonna go to my downloads right here. Boom, I can check to see if it's geotagged by clicking on this eye, move this down here, click on GPS, and I know that it's geotagged. So I'm gonna go top 5, geotagged, February 14. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I am then gonna go to my Google My Business, right? I'm gonna hit add photo, select photo, geotagged, simple as that. Boom. Let me know if you have any questions.